morning. My name is Victor Leonardo Costa. The article days House can firm asset bank finances for circular business model innovation big talks of pace explore home company can security bank finance for circular business model innovation. This study in the size will the broad context in the circular economy will I am maximum recursive value towards recycling I probably product life cycle. Fearless the article highlight the distinct the growing inter in the circular economy night is probably do how banca finance this is bank circular cushioning model of the different significant from Translation only marking is challenger for bank they access this year and probably the author explored an equality approach based on case studying the examine world finance wide circular Busini model can improve the change of security bank financed the indebted several key challenges the hid access the fund. Uncertainty in value generating value is different the accessing the economic value del circular bonds model as they depend on strategy says as lay reduce and product life extends lack of Australia college. My circular business do now pose his ball political accent the Canbec uses as color complically aus probably perceive risk for on backing perspective circular model mind best as drinking do dogs black the history financial perforing data the underlies challenger del article security versus strategies the company Hyundai. The nominee try owns the value generation. Firme Soule Presi company winning of the here circular model can generate sustainably revenue of the time. Developing strategy revelation his bank effective communication and strong ruling his bank can facilitate under strategy and accept us circular model usar specific metrics and reports implementing performance indicative the reflects the financial value of circularity the health reduce perspective risks innovate in cholera and finance explore alternative financial mechanics such important investing goods or government bank guarantees can company for the black Australian colony. The student complained the accessing the financial for circular business was can inconveniente significativo is company susceptible extracting del benefits of the circular economy is in financial strain the bank as well. DTCT is pensar del next for bank de ADAX next evolution crítica de consciente de potence of the model. Thank you.